Go ahead and rotate your phone because in this video I'm building the E-flite Pitts S1S 850mm. The Pitts was originally designed in 1945 by Curtis Pitts. It's one of the most recognizable and famous aerobatic airplanes and has actually performed in more air shows than any other aircraft. You can see I've already laid the pieces out. I love doing that, just spreading everything out on the table, get my tools ready so I can just get to work. I got the manual there in front of me. Here we go. The first thing you do is you're putting the wheels on. The landing gear important. You want to make sure everything's tight here. Now we're lining up and just fitting the horizontal stabilizer. Add the glue here. Make sure they're in. Make sure they're all the way in. Make sure everything's even and squared up. Once that's dry, we're going to assemble and get the bottom wing ready to put on. You'll see I zoom in here because there's a post that sticks out the bottom that this bottom wing actually pins to. And that post was driving me nuts because it just wasn't sticking out far enough. And I just kept trying. I'm like, well, am I doing it wrong? Is it wrong? So I pull up my phone. I start looking at videos on the internet. Thank you, internet. And I figure out that the pin is actually adjustable. You got to just loosen it to the point where it's just tight enough to hold the wing on. So that's nice that it was adjustable. Wish it would have told me. I get it going here. I get it exactly right where I want it because I'm kind of adjusting and putting the pin in and feeling it because you don't want any slop in the wing there. Once I got it on, now I'm doing the struts on the wings. And these things, this kit looks so good. From 10 feet away, you can't even tell it's foam. It's just a beautiful model. And it's one of my favorite airplanes. As a child, I love this plane every time I saw it in the air. And I'm thrilled to actually have one. So, got the top wing on, the bottom wing on. Now I'm hooking up the aileron push rods to push from the bottom wing to the top, and so they both work, and that's going to give tons of control on this aircraft. Once those are on, I'm here, and really this kit went together so fast. I was really impressed. Besides that one wing post issue, it went together so nicely. Here we go. We're putting the prop on, make sure it's nice and tight, but then you got to line it up with the nose cone, and it's got to be just right so it just fits perfect, so it all looks smooth and flush. I figure it out. Here we go. And no, I don't. So I'm going to put it on again. But once I got it right, I was just so impressed with this plane and happy, and I couldn't wait to go fly it. And I have since then, and that video's coming soon. But go to jamesschrader.com and check out all my comedy shows coming up and any future airplanes and stuff that I'm flying. Have a great day. Go do something cool.